Still wasting time on Photoshop? Struggling with Canva templates? Or you are paying a lot hiring social media marketing agency to design your social media ads and posts? Forget all that. This new AI tool does everything. Design, copy, layout, branding, automatically, in seconds. It's called SodaMarketing.ai. And today, I'll show you how it's changing social media marketing forever. Whether you're running a business, managing clients, or just trying to grow on social media, you don't need design skills. You don't need expensive tools. You just need an idea. And SodaMarketing.ai will turn it into a scroll-stopping post instantly. First, go to SodaMarketing.ai and grab the free 7 days trial. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Click on Brands to create your brand. I am already done with this, so let's go ahead and create stunning social media content and designs. Head over to AI single image posts and ads designs, then click Get Started. From here, you can choose the shape and size of your design. I'll pick square, 1080 by 1080 pixels. It's the perfect size for Instagram posts and meta ads. Now, select the brand name. For the sake of this video, I'll choose Walmart. But you should create and select your real brand here. Next, I'll set the content tone to casual. Then, set the language to English. Now, I'll simply type the short prompt. Flash sale on wireless earbuds, 30% off, bold techie style. Be as specific or as simple as you like. Then, click Add Image to upload your product photo. I'll just drag my product image right here. And give SodaMarketing.ai about 20 seconds to analyze the photo I just uploaded. Once it's ready, just select the photo and click OK. Now click Generate and wait for the magic. It usually takes about a minute for SodaMarketing to create our stunning designs, and in less than a minute, boom, we've got professional, branded social media ads ready to post. No templates, no resizing, no design headaches or color matching, no skills needed at all, no copywriting, all done in under a minute with a single tool. This is creative automation at its best, and this isn't even the craziest part. All these designs are fully editable. Let's say I like this design the most. I'll just select it, then click on Customize and pick the basic editor. Now I can edit every part of the design with ease, just drag and drop. Make any edits you want to any of the generated designs. And you can even apply any layout to your current content with a single click. Let's say I want to apply this new template to my ad. I'll just click on it. Wait a few seconds, and now I can explore even more design ideas. My new design is now saved and ready under my designs. Here we go. We just got a completely new ad concept in seconds. This is a game changer. And remember, all designs are editable. Let's try another example, this time for a restaurant. I'll select another sample brand here, keep the tone as casual and language as English, but change the prompt. This time I'll type, create a social media ad to promote our new delicious burger sandwich. Next, I'll remove the earbuds photo and upload my burger sandwich image instead. Give it a few seconds to analyze the photo, then select it when it's ready and click Close. Now click Generate and let's see what we get. Boom! Again, eye-catching, professional designs in under a minute. It even makes me feel hungry right now. I'll scroll through and check out the options. Everything looks amazing. I really like this one. The logo is embedded perfectly. The coloring is just right. And the overall layout is awesome. And yes, it's fully editable. I can select any element in the design and edit it however I like. I can even explore more layout ideas just by clicking templates. Find the one I like and apply it instantly with a single click. Everything updates instantly. And just like that, a second unique design idea is ready. Amazing, isn't it? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Now, what about captions? Do I need to write one myself, hire a copywriter, or jump to ChatGPT? Nope, SodaMarketing.ai has it all covered for you. For any design you generate, just click Caption. And boom, a professionally written caption appears, with emojis and hashtags already included. Honestly, I think I'm going to smash this like button myself. These designs and captions are just too good. Let's push things a little further and see what SodaMarketing.ai can really do. This time, I'll create a post for boxing classes. Select the brand and type the prompt. Promote our boxing classes. Then I'll remove the burger image. And this time, I won't upload any image at all. I'll let SodaMarketing.ai generate one for me. Now just click Generate and let's see the results. And again, SodaMarketing.ai keeps impressing us. Perfect, professional designs. And I didn't even need to upload a photo this time. And yes, the designs are editable. Let's make a quick tweak. I think this shape here would look better with lower opacity. Just like that. Using the exact same method, you can create endless social media ads and posts for any type of business, in any industry. There are no limits. You've got to try this yourself. Click the link in the description and start your free 7-day trial of Soda Marketing AI. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.